Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Nearest. Nearest is a location management platform for mapping, managing, extending, and marketing location-related data. So let's go ahead and go to their website, and I'm going to click on example demo just for this tutorial. And let's say we are in London, so I'm gonna type that in. So now it's showing you supermarkets around London. So let's go ahead and zoom in, and I'm going to click on this supermarket over here. It's called M&S Food Hall, and once you click on this traditional address, you're going to be able to see your three-word address. And you can either copy and paste this, or you can click on it to go to what3words website that displays your three-word address and where it's at. And if you're trying to find supermarkets nearby a certain three-word address, you can enter that into the search bar. So for example, let's type in filled count soap. Here you can see some auto suggestions. The first one is the correct one, so I'm going to click on that. And here you can see all of the supermarkets that are nearby to this three-word address. That's how easy it is to use what3words in Nearest. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.